Here we are, it's a beautiful afternoon. We're out urban foraging, and this is the ideal situation to be gathering poplar buds, also known as the Balm of Gilead. Here with Denis Manzer.
Oh yeah, Malcolm, check it out. These are full of that golden goo.
Yes.
Exactly what we're looking for. This sticky sap. It's gonna be packed full of medicine. Oh yeah. This stuff is incredibly valuable. I consider this perhaps one of the most valuable medicinal herbs in the landscape of Calgary. I'm doing a whole workshop about how to turn this stuff into salve or balm. It's gonna be a whole salve making class, but we're gonna go deep into the medicine of this stuff.